Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can use the machine control in MacBook. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do for the machine control, simply we need to press the F3 on your keyboard in MacBook. So let's start. So first of all, we have to press the F3. So as you can see, I have pressed F3. Here you will see all the desktop versions. If you want to create a new desktop, you can also do that, like in the Chrome section, in the desktop section. If you want to create a new one, then you have to click on this and the new one will be also created. If you want to create a new one again, you can also do that. So as you can see in this section, you will see all the active windows here, all the active desktop here. You will be able to, if you want to delete them, you have to click on that. Those will be removed. As you can see, I'm going to click on this. Now it's simple. Now I'm going to again click on F3 and now all the desktop will be shown. I'm going to back again on the simple one, original one, which was 1. So I'm going to click on this. If you want to delete other one, then simply you have to click on this and now we have to cut this and now it will be removed. So as you can see, in this way the windows are removed, and this way you can use the machine control, and this is the function of machine control. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use this. So see you guys in the next video.